Hi there, Charlie Blaze here, back with week 2 for open world level loading for advanced technologies. This week I have gone back and changed how my chunk loading and unloading in my project works. This is because I was using a lot of subscenes and it was doing a lot of the background work for me of doing things like reading and writing to binary files. But that is the direction I want to go in to end up with that sort of system that I've made myself, and I think we're heading in the right direction. So let's get started and say that. So first off, we've got this big, lovely grey prototyping city right here, and so this is currently just using a bunch of prefabs or like lots of different models in the scene here. But what we're gonna do is if we go to this chunk manager that I've set up and click this ellipsis, it gives us the option to save the map. So currently we have a map data file here which is completely empty, and if I click on the chunk manager and the ellipsis again and click save map, and just like that, you might not have seen it because it was that quick, but once it's had a second to update, the map data should populate just like that with all these beautiful numbers and letters, a huge JSON file, and that holds all of the map's data now. So if I go into this chunks tab here and I actually deactivate everything and go into play, at runtime the game loads in from that JSON file that we just created, and it chunks it just like this. So you can see here on the top screen, I'll move around this little dude here on the bottom screen, but as we walk around, the chunks pop in and pop out, and it's all reading from a JSON file now. So yes, awesome stuff, I'd say. Quite happy with how it's turned out, how it works, and it just seems to be super optimized, like speedy stuff, which is always good to get early on in the project. So next, I would sort of like to have that saving to a file at runtime so that we can make adjustments to the world and it saves the progress of the player. But also I'd like to start adding in other like specific area things for these chunks, maybe like NPCs or vehicles or other stuff like that, more entities to interact with within the world. Sweet, I think that's everything for this week. Thanks very much for watching.